What's up, DGens? What's going on, guys? Let's talk a little Jasmy. So the market's starting to recover on the hourly time frame. Jasmy's up 2.3% on the hour, down 9% on the day, up 16% on the week, 94% on the month, and 581% on the year. $2.06 billion market cap, still well above that $2 billion market cap. Very nice. Volume's up a bit, 863 million. Not too bad. Yeah, like I said, market across the market on the hour, kind of starting to try to recover a little bit here. So, I talked this morning about how I told you guys there was going to be a dump yesterday. We had the dump, and then I talked this morning how it felt like kind of a fake out on the week. I think that as we progress through this week, we're going to see the entire market kind of start to recover. And we'll end up finishing this week fairly in the green. Not mega in the green, but fairly in the green. That's kind of how I see things playing out right now. We'll go over to the Jasmine chart. Got a green candle going, like I said, on the hourly time frame. We've met this resistance up at 4 cents 384. It's acting as resistance now, close to the 4 cent 4 level. So we got to break back above there and start closing candles above there, guys. Otherwise, we're going to continue to ping pong below it. Possibly, if we get rejected enough, we could come back down and retest this 3 cent 3 level, which I'm hoping we don't do. But I mean, it's whatever. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, right? Going over to the larger time frames on the weekly, we back up over support here. So I mean, this candle's got a long way to go on the weekly. We could end up this week green, like I said. I suspect we'll be green or pretty close to it. Down on the 4 hour. Like I said, starting to kind of trying to recover here on the 4 hour. Just choppy on the 1 hour. So I like to just kind of glance at those lower time frames every once in a while, right? Jumping over to Bitcoin. What's going on over here? Same thing, exactly the same thing as Jasmine, guys. Broke all the way down here, recovered. Yesterday, we wicked all the way down to the bottom of this golden pocket that I laid out, 94K, bounced all the way back up. So Bitcoin's in better condition than most of the altcoins right now. 97,300, much better than altcoins. But, I mean, to be honest with you guys, on the live stream earlier today, we did show that the Bitcoin dominance is actually starting to, I lost my mouse, there it is, starting to recover. Look at that. So the Bitcoin dominance is starting to spike. This could mean a pullback on the altcoins like Jasmine and others if the Bitcoin dominance continues to spike to the upside, which, you know, it wouldn't surprise me, guys. Wouldn't surprise me. I said weeks and weeks ago that it wouldn't shock me if it was Bitcoin's show till the end of the month or till halfway through January. Altcoins will continue to melt their way upwards with Bitcoin, but if we start seeing this dominance continue to go back into Bitcoin here, we're going to see Bitcoin climb back up in short order. Probably later in the week or early next week, we'll see that full recovery. That's just my opinion on it. But all right, let's go. We got a couple of updates here surrounding Jasmine. So courtesy Little Bidman, he says he spent most of the day playing around with the newish Web3 social app called The Arena. The only way to sign up is with your X account, and you can immediately start earning crypto just by posting, commenting, and liking. No need to log in with a wallet, and it's 100% free. After that, I make no claims, he said. It's got the same layout as X and pretty much works the same way. You can even host spaces in there called stages. Not encouraging anyone to join, but if you're interested, there you go. And he's using, as you can see, the Jasmine Secure PC, disk drive connection status, prevent information leakage on the Ghost Drive. I'm very excited about the Jasmine Secure PC, guys. I'm really looking forward to picking one up myself as soon as they come out west. Very, very cool stuff. We go in and visit our friend of the channel, Neo Sun. Neo Extrix says, Jasmine is set to become one of the largest technological infrastructures in the carbon market in Japan. According to data published by the Japanese Financial Services Agency, BlackRock Japan has issued a statement to investors highlighting the importance of investments in carbon credits. BlackRock, which invests more than 700 million US dollars, focuses on various asset classes, including infrastructure. I would not be surprised to see BlackRock Japan starting to get into JASMY, considering JASMY is the only legally regulated crypto in Japan. It is the premier and leading blockchain technology in Japan as well, right? So it has a lot going for it here. They've got the BlackRock definition of transition investing. So BlackRock is promoting investing in crypto out in Japan. You'll love to see that. Going over to check out the super wallet updates. Buying the dip. So the DD coin, the new reward system to promote data utilization. You've got features on your super wallet granted to individuals as a reward for providing data, which is the DD coin, right? Which you convert into what? Jasmy coin, right? Redeemable for Jasmy coin. There you go, right there. Used to purchase DD tokens, recorded on chain, legally equivalent to points. Advantages: supports IoT data, inexpensive and fast transactions, local currency, in-game currency, because there's games over on there you can play to earn DD points as well as questionnaires and surveys. No market value fluctuations can be introduced by listed companies. Value indicator of data assets held by individuals. So traditional point system in DD coin company perspective. So the individual, this is the company perspective, right? So it's basically telling you here that the companies as well have to hold and lock up Jasmy coins in their super wallet / their personal data locker to be able to acquire data, right? And over here, it's the exact same thing for the users, the retail users like you and I, and they pay us in DD coins, and we convert those DD coins into Jasmy coins, right? Over here, we get the DD coins, we convert them over to Jasmy. Now, for the wallet activation, Jasmy coin staking, okay? The plan, it's some stuff is locked. The acquisition of DD coins and the conversion of to Jasmy coin is unlocked, but data accumulation, use of the PF services and applications, and control of data provision are all locked unless you lock up Jasmy coin, right? So they get activated with locked up Jasmy. As you can see down here, it says the wallet associated with my page does not open all the features from the beginning. A deposit of a certain amount of Jasmy coin is required to open up the functionality, so to activate everything, right? For fairness, we will also require a certain amount of deposit from businesses that utilize user data. So there you have it. Not only do you, as the retail investor, the person providing data, have to stake Jasmy, taking it out of circulation, building up the TVL in the ecosystem, but down here, again, confirming what I've been saying all along, for fairness, we will also require a certain amount of deposit from businesses that utilize user data. The companies that are purchasing data must also hold and lock up Jasmy coin. So that, my friends, is what you call utility in the ecosystem, right? And the more that are locked up, staked by retail investors and by businesses, the more valuable the ones in your wallet become, because the circulating supply goes down dramatically. That is why they said they wanted about a 75% TVL, which is only about 14 billion tokens left in circulation. So whenever you see one of these YouTubers giving a Jasmy price prediction, and the second they say to you, looking at the circulating supply, 50 billion, just shut their video off, because they don't know what, they haven't done any research, right? The personal data locker, the literally the technology that Jasmy's putting out there to the public, right, and to the businesses, requires a TVL. to be utilized. Okay, so anyone sitting there saying, well, 50 billion circulating supply, blah 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 blah, market cap, just turn off their video. They haven't done any research into what JASMY is as a company. If they did, then they would know the goal of a 14 billion circulating supply, because if they're going off of a 50 billion circulating supply as opposed to around a 14 billion circulating supply, they haven't done any research and their numbers are skewed. They don't know so it throws their entire price prediction out the window because they don't have accurate numbers. And the only way to get accurate numbers is to do your research. Too many lazy YouTubers do not do their research. Okay, so very, very bullish, guys. And to finalize things here, we got this from Yedden. This is about the My Number card. Preparations are underway for the era when cryptocurrency transfers will be possible using the My Number card. Yes, that's right, you guys. The My Number card, utilizing Jasmine's technology, is now preparing for an era where cryptocurrency transfers will be possible as well on the card, utilizing Jasmine's tech. A42X Inc., the developer of the My Number wallet, which allows anyone from children to the elderly to easily transfer cryptocurrencies and NFTs by simply waving their My Number card, has applied for a trademark for My Number coin. By using the My Number card itself as a hardware wallet, each citizen can safely store their private keys offline, even if their My Number card is lost. Crypto assets cannot be sent without the PIN code, thereby increasing security. And who's using the technology for data security? JASMY. That's right. Last November, members of the Japanese government digital agency visited A42X Inc. and experienced transferring stablecoins using My Number card and My Number wallet. Currently, there are 94.5 million My Number card holders. If this number of people could gain access to digital yen, crypto assets, and NFTs, it would not only boost for the crypto asset market, but it would also have a major impact on the entire financial system. JASMY impacting the entire financial system of Japan, you guys. I keep telling you, this is so much bigger than people realize. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me over on the Patreon, guys. You can also join our group Zoom calls. We do them every single night. We talk about all the important things when it comes to crypto. If you're new to crypto, you've never been through an altcoin season before, join the Patreon. Let's help you get an exit strategy together, your profit-taking plan. If you've never been through an altcoin season, guys, there's no shame in having your hand held through an altcoin season by a community of people who have experienced multiple altcoin seasons, if it means getting life-changing wealth for you and your family, right? We have everyone from seasoned veterans to beginners over on the Patreon. We have a massive community now. We do multiple group Zoom calls every day where you can join the conversation. You can have your questions answered in real time. None of this typing and waiting garbage all the time. You can join our group Zoom calls and be recognized and taken care of by a community of knowledgeable people. So get over to the Patreon, guys. Again, schedule your one-on-ones with me as well. The link is down in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. And I will see you guys in the next one.